You ever look at someone and wonder, how the heck did they make it? Like, they used to be broke just like everyone else, maybe worse, but now they're out here living it up, making money in their sleep, and you're still trying to figure out if ramen counts as a balanced meal? Here's the truth they don't teach you in school. Most self-made millionaires aren't born with privilege or connections. They just do a few small things every single day that compound over time. It's not magic. It's not luck. It's habits. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 daily habits that literally transform broke people into millionaires. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, and no, you won't become a millionaire by tomorrow. But if you start applying these today, you'll be 10 steps ahead of most people who are still waiting for the perfect time. So grab a notepad, sit up straight, and let's dive in. Because if you can change your days, you can change your life. Habit number 1. Wake up early with purpose. Yeah, I know, it sounds cliche. But let me be clear. This isn't just about setting an alarm for 5 a.m. It's about owning your morning before the world starts making demands of you. Think about it. Most people hit snooze 5 times, then roll out of bed already behind. Millionaires? They use those quiet early hours to think, plan, read, or exercise. The morning sets the tone for the entire day. This is the time where distractions are at their lowest. No emails. No social media noise. Just you, your goals, and silence. That's millionaire real estate right there. And no, you don't have to become a monk. Even waking up 1 hour earlier can change your life. Use it to plan your day, visualize your goals, or just sit in silence with your coffee and plot your world domination. Habit number 2. Track every single dollar. Broke people guess. Millionaires measure. And yeah, it sounds boring. But what's even more boring? Being broke your whole life. Millionaires treat their money like a business. Every dollar has a job. Whether it's investing, saving, spending, or donating, it all gets tracked. You might think, I don't make enough money to budget. But that's like saying, I'm too dirty to take a shower. The less you have, the more important it is to know exactly where it's going. Use an app. Use a spreadsheet. Heck, use sticky notes. Just stop letting your money disappear like a magician's rabbit and start telling it where to go. Habit number 3. Learn something new every single day. If you're not growing, you're staying broke. Harsh but true. Millionaires are obsessed with learning. Books, podcasts, mentors, courses, you name it. They know that every bit of knowledge they pick up gives them an edge in a world that's always changing. You don't have to read 100 books a year. Just commit to learning something new every day. Even 10 minutes of learning a day is 3,650 minutes a year. That's over 60 hours. You think that won't change your life? The key is consistency. It's not about cramming everything in a weekend. It's about showing up daily and feeding your brain like it's the most important asset you own. Because it is. Habit number 4. Build income streams, not just paychecks. Let me say it louder. One income is too close to none. Millionaires don't rely on just one job. They have side hustles. They invest. They build businesses. They create content. Their money works in more places than one. If your whole life depends on one paycheck, you're one emergency away from disaster. The goal is to build streams of income so if one dries up, the river still flows. Start small. You can freelance, sell digital products, invest in stocks, or even rent out a room. The key is to start building assets that make money even when you're not working. And hey, real quick, before we get into the 5th and most important habit, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're enjoying this and you're serious about building wealth and changing your mindset, this channel is for you. Habit number 5. Ruthless consistency. I saved the most important one for last. Because you can wake up early, track your money, read all the books, and start a side hustle. But if you only do it for a week, congrats. You've just wasted your time. Millionaires don't just show up sometimes. They show up daily. Even when it's hard. Even when they're tired. Even when nobody's watching. This is the boring, unsexy part of success that nobody talks about. The grind. The patience. The self-discipline to keep going when the results are still invisible. Anyone can do something for a few days. But millionaires do it for years. That's the difference between a wish and a lifestyle. The truth is, none of these habits work unless you do. You can watch all the motivational videos in the world, but if you don't act, you'll stay stuck. But the flip side? If you start today, right now, with even one of these habits, your life could look radically different in a year. In 5 years? Completely unrecognizable. You don't need a miracle. You don't need a lucky break. You just need daily discipline, a little self-belief, and a commitment to show up every day like your future depends on it, because it does. Start small. Wake up 30 minutes earlier tomorrow. Track your expenses tonight. Read one chapter. Open a free investment account. Do something. The gap between broke and millionaire isn't talent. It's consistency. It's small decisions repeated daily until they compound into something massive. So if you're tired of waiting for the right moment, consider this your sign. Your journey to wealth starts today with 5 simple habits. Now go out there and get it. And before you go, if you got value from this video, hit that like button, drop a comment with the habit you're starting today, and don't forget to subscribe for more no BS content that'll help you build a rich life one habit at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.